Welcome to the TCI Online Work List tool. This training will review the goals of the tool, how you will receive your access and user credentials, an overview of the work list screen itself, how to complete your work list items, and options for exporting, filtering, and sorting the data. We'll end with resources for questions should you have any. This tool provides real-time communication between providers and TCI billing and coding staff to allow notification of those patient encounters that need attention to support a complete and correct claim. It is a secure website that can be accessed by either PCs or mobile devices depending on the user's preference, and it is HIPAA compliant as no protected health information is included on the website. You will be receiving an email from a TCI staff member that includes a secure website URL or web address. A separate email containing your username and password will be sent to ensure security for that information. Please take the time to test your credentials within a week of receipt, and should you have any difficulty accessing the website, please reply to the initial email for assistance. As we look at the work list itself, items will be displayed on the screen that require your attention. As you complete the work and mark them resolved, items will drop from your work list and move to the TCI staff members' work list. Looking left to right across the columns, the first column is a system ID that is generated when the issue is logged. The next two columns identify you as a provider, your location, and your provider name. The next two columns, date of service and patient ID, work together to identify the individual's encounter that needs to be addressed. The type column is a category of the issue that is open, and the issue column is the details of information being requested by the TCI staff member. The final two columns, resolved and comment, are where you indicate that the work is done and whether any additional information needs to be provided to the TCI staff member or is needed from the staff member to guide you in completing the item. After you update the clinical record, please click on the resolved box to mark that item complete. This action will remove the encounter from your work list and move it to the TCI staff members' work list. Should you need to communicate any additional information to the TCI staff member, please double-click in the comment column to add a note. When done typing, click Enter to save the note, and when you then click on the resolved box, the note will accompany the encounter onto the TCI staff members' work list. Should you prefer to work on paper or to have your information in another format, you have the option of exporting the data by clicking on any of the export options in the upper right hand side of the work list sheet. You also have the option to filter data in your work list by entering a term in the search box. Finally, it's possible to sort the data by clicking on the arrows in the heading of any column. Click once to sort from A to Z, click a second time to sort from Z to A. Should you have any questions about working in this tool, please contact your department's administrative assistant. If they are unable to help you, they will then contact TCI for assistance if needed. Thank you for your attention to this information. We look forward to working with you.